CompTIA A Core 2 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 1.3 Given a scenario, use features and tools of the Microsoft Windows 10 operating system. Certificate Manager. Certificate Manager is a Microsoft Windows utility that allows users to view and manage digital certificates for their computer and user accounts. These certificates are vital for secure communications, authentication, and data encryption, ensuring the integrity and confidentiality of information. Think of Certificate Manager as the command center for handling digital certificates, which function like electronic passports verifying the identities of users and devices. This utility helps you install, import, export, and delete certificates, manage certificate trusts, and troubleshoot certificate-related issues. Understanding Public Key Infrastructure, or PKI, is a prerequisite to understanding and working with Certificate Manager. So I will take a moment and break this additional topic down for you. PKI is a framework that uses a pair of keys, a public key, and a private key, to secure data transmission and authenticate identities. In this system, certificates are issued and managed by trusted third-party entities known as certificate authorities or CAs. These CAs act as digital notaries, verifying the identity and authenticity of users and computers. For example, when a website owner wants a certificate for their web server, they go through a validation process with the CA. The CA will verify the website owner's identity and domain ownership to ensure they are legitimate. Once the validation is successful, the CA issues a digital certificate containing the website's public encryption key and other essential information. Note, this is very similar to our previously used passport analogy. With PKI explained, let's now discuss how to access Certificate Manager, where we will manage these PKI-derived certificates. To do this, press the Windows key along with the letter R key to open the Windows Run dialog box. Then type certmgr.msc and click OK. This command opens the Certificate Manager window, where you can start managing your digital certificates. Once opened, you will see that the Certificate Manager interface is divided into two main panes. The left pane features a tree structure categorizing certificates into personal, trusted root certification authorities, intermediate certification authorities, and more. The right pane displays details of the selected category, listing individual certificates along with their properties, such as issuer, expiration date, and intended purposes. This organized layout makes it easy to navigate through your certificates and manage them efficiently. Needless to say, Certificate Manager is invaluable for managing the security of your network and devices. For instance, when viewing a secure website, your web browser uses the web server certificate to encrypt data transmitted between the server and clients. Similarly, digital certificates are used in email encryption, securing VPN connections, and authenticating users and devices in a corporate network. By managing these certificates effectively, you ensure that all communications and transactions remain private and secure, protecting sensitive information from unauthorized access. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.